Good evening, children. Today we will discuss about very important system in our life. In this system is nothing but number system. Okay? Yes. Number system. Okay? Yes. An ancient period, in an olden days, of what once upon a time, our elders sunrise before start from the work or initiated from after the sunrise start the work and then after the sunset finish the work, but how much work they are done they don't know. So, how can we calculate the measurement of the work? This about have to clarification. Suddenly one change will happen. That change is nothing but evolution. My dear children, what is evolution? Evolution means what? Change, growth and transformation. This is called evolution. In this change, here is a number system. In this number system are classified into 4 types. There are number 1 is decimal. Clear? Decimal number system. Decimal number system. Number 2 is a binary number system. Okay. Number 3 octal number system. Okay. Number 4 hexadecimal number system. Are you clear? There are 4 types of number systems we will introduce in computer language, in mathematics also. This about can I say one by one deeply. Okay, this is about can I say clear explanation. Okay. Generally decimal number system is as a human being using in this number system 75 rupees I gave to you, 95 rupees, 1000 rupees you gave to me or given to me and etc. etc. So, this about how can we use in our life. Okay. This about can I say now decimal what? Decimal number what? Decimal number system. Okay. In this decimal number system is nothing but normally or generally as anywhere or everywhere as a human being using for this type of number system. That is why the base value of this system is what? 10 is nothing but 1 0. Clear? Yes. Sir, how sir? Okay. In this base value start from here, the base value start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or okay 0 to 9. So, totally 10 numbers. Okay. Here example of this number system. Example of this number system. Okay. 75 base 10. Okay. Example 1. Here example 2. Okay. 520 base 10. This type is a decimal number system, but this 75 rupees or sorry 75 is a number, that number is under the 10. I think so clear. Suppose example, okay, can I say now 7 is under the 10, clear? Why? Because 0 to 9 only 7 numbers are there. Same 5 also 0 to 9 only are there. That is why 75 is under the base value number 10. So, generally this is not mentioned means, suppose the base value is not mentioned means this is called what? Decimal number system. Another one example also I will tell you. Okay, 110, 4, 2, 3. Okay, simply means the base value is 10, but it is hiding. So, it is hiding also. This is really what number system? This is a decimal number system. It should be mentioned or not mentioned also. Mentioned or not mentioned also. This is a what? Decimal number system. This is number 1. Now, can I say about second one? Okay, here second one is a what? Binary number system. Binary number system. In this binary number system, comparing in a decimal number system, kept in mind is not easy. How, sir? Here example I will tell you. In this decimal number system, number is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is reverse or order-wise or 8, 4, 2, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kept in mind is easy, but in this binary number system is entirely different from decimal number system. That is why the base value is okay, here 2. Sir, what, sir? We are writing base, but the base value start from okay 0, 1. So, 0 to 1 is nothing but 2. So, the base value is 2. So, base value start from 0, 1. I think so clear? Yes. Sir, here you write in example numbers, but here also can I write an example? Clear? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, base 2. In that case, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, base 2. Okay, yes. This is called number system in a binary number system. Okay, whole decimal into binary. That is why simply this is called, simply we called bits. Sir, what is the expansion of bits? Is nothing but shortcut, you know, shortcuts. Binary digits, clear? Yes. So, BITS, simply BI and then CS, simply we called bits. So, what I am saying, in this base value of the binary number system is 2, That's why the base value start from 0 to 1. Here example 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. This is bits expansion is nothing but binary digits. Okay, yes. This about we will learn next class. Next means another number system, that is octal number system. About can I say now? Okay. Now we will discuss about octal number system. Is nothing but OCTAL, octal number system. In this octal number system, okay, octet is nothing but 8. Octet is nothing but 8. In this octal number system, generally, sir, the base value is 8, but start from 0 to 7, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, sir, here 473 base 8. Are you clear? Yes. And then another one example. Okay, 456 base 8. Okay, you listen. In this 4 and 7 and 3 is under the 8. Or Sanjay, listen. Here 4, 5, 6. This is also under the what? 8. So the base values under the system. This is octal number system. This about detailing. We will see repeated division by 8 method, and then conversion of this decimal into binary, binary into decimal, decimal into octal, octal into decimal. That time can I see clearly one by one, but now in this case the octal number system is octet means 8. That is why the base value is 8. Start from 0 to 7, and then the example is 473 base 8 or 456, okay, base 8. Now can I say about what? Hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Are you clear? In this hexadecimal number system, this is fourth method. So the base value is 16. Here the base value is 16, but in this number system start from 0 to 15. Okay, in that case 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. Here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In that case 10 means A and then 11 means B. Okay. So C equal to 12, D equal to 13. In that case E equal to 1, 4 and then F equal to 15. Okay. So the base value is 16. In this initial value start from 0 to 15. Okay. Can I say now hexadecimal number example? Okay. A7A B is base 16 or 468. Okay. C base 16. Okay. This method is a hexadecimal number system. Okay. In this conversion method, how can we conversion for decimal, binary and about clearly we will see now. first one is decimal, and then this is what? Binary. Okay, here octal, here hexadecimal. Okay, decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. In that case, 4 types of classifications are there in this system. Sir, in these 4 types of classification, we know this is first, this is second, this is third, and then fourth. How can we conversion of these methods? Okay, in this conversion of this method, here converting in the number system, first one is decimal into binary. Okay, this is first method, and then same decimal into octal, this is second method, and then decimal into hexadecimal, this is what? Decimal into binary, decimal into octal, and then decimal into what? Hexadecimal. Okay, this is conversion. Okay, next again we will say first one is decimal, convert decimal into binary. Number 2 has decimal into octal. Okay, number 3 here decimal into hexadecimal. This is decimal based conversion. So, 1 decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and then decimal to hexadecimal. Now, can I say about, you see, binary into decimal, same binary into octal, and then binary into hexadecimal. Okay, can I say about the fourth one is binary into decimal, and then again I will tell you binary into octal. Okay, here again I will tell you binary into hexadecimal. I think so you clearly understand. This is base binary into decimal, binary into octal, binary into hexadecimal. Same thing who can say about seventh one is octal into decimal, octal into binary, octal into hexadecimal. Okay, so can I say about octal into what? Decimal. Octal into decimal. Next, you see octal into decimal, and then octal into binary. Okay, here octal into binary. Okay, now ninth one is octal into hexadecimal. Here octal into hexadecimal. Okay, this is totally 9 types of converts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the remaining, what are the types are? Okay, here you see decimal part over, binary parts over, octal parts over. The remaining is hexadecimal. That's why finally I will tell you hexadecimal into hexadecimal into decimal, and then hexadecimal into binary. Okay, and then hexadecimal into octal. So, totally 12 types of conversions happened in this numbers system. Okay. This is about, can I see now how can we derive in summations, can I explain now. Okay. Convert decimal into binary. How can we convert, sir? Can I explain now? Given a sum is 75 base 10. Convert 75 base 10 into binary. Okay. Yes. In this conversion methods, we will find out the answer. Okay. This is first sum. Here 75 is a question, it should be divisible by 2. Why? Because binary means 2, but this number is decimal. Conversion is convert decimal into binary. Here 2, you think so, listen clearly, 2 3s are 6, but here 1 is remaining, that is why 15. Okay. So, 2 7s are 14, remaining 1. Here 2 18s are 36, remaining is 1. Here also 2 9s are 18, remaining is 0. Here 2 4s are 8, remaining is 1. Here 2 2s are 4, remaining is 0. Here also 2 1s are 2, remaining is what? 0. In that case, we will find out the answer. My dear children, in that case all the binary will start from bottom to top. That is why we can create now clearly, we will find out the answer 75 base 10 is equal to 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. This is answer. Again once more you check. Here 1 0 0 1, okay, 0 1 1. Clear? Yes. This answer is correct. How can we judge, sir? So, check method. We will introduce check method. In this check method, we will work out in this check method. How can we do, sir? We know the answer 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, we will solve it. First one is here 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Here also 2 to the power of 1. Here also 2 to the power of 2. Here also 1 into 2 to the power of 3. Here 0 into, okay, 0 into 2 to the power of 4. Here 0 into 2 to the power of 5. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 6. 1 by 1 can I say now? Here 1 into 2 to the power of 0. We know mathematically anything power 0 equal to 1. That is why 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Here 1 into 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. That is why 2 to the power equal to 2. So, 1 into 2 nothing but 2. So, 0 into 2 to the power of 2 is a 4. 0 into anything we know 0. So, 1 into the power of 3, that is why 1 into 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8. That is why 8. Here 0 into 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16 equal to 0. Again 0 into 2 to the power of 5 is nothing but 32. Okay. Here this is called 0. Okay. 1 into 2 to the power of 6. So, 1 into 2 to the power of 6 is nothing but 64. Here 64. Okay. We will adding everything. Clear? Yes. 1 by 1. You check now. Here 64 and then what? here 1 plus 2, 3 and then 8. Okay, here 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8, 15, 1 is remaining 75. So, this question came now, clear the answer. Now, sir, here 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 base 2 is nothing but 75 base 10. Okay, before correction we will check. Okay, so check method is verified, that is why answer is correct. Answer is correct. Answer is correct. We can identify this same. Here we learned convert into binary, convert decimal into binary. The check method, actually this method is, so here binary into, this method is binary into decimal we learn. Okay, okay, next and next. Okay, we will see another methods. Now in this session, decimal into binary, decimal into binary. Okay, normally methods convert 74 base 10 into binary. Okay, this is ordinary method. We will work out in an answer for these sums. We know as usual methods 74 is a given a number. This number is converted into binary means by means 2. That is why we will divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6. So 1 is the remaining. That is why here 1 will come 1. So in this 1 is 14. So 2 7s are 14. Now remaining is 0. Clear? Yes. Here in this 37, how many 2s are there? Here I think so 1 is 8, remaining is 1. Clear? Now we will see 2, this is 9, okay, 18, this is 0. Here clear? Yes. In that case, here 2, in this inside the 9, how many 2s are there? 4 times. That is why remaining is 1. So 2 2s are 4, the remaining is 0. Finally 2 1s are 2, remaining is 0. But and then it is divisible by 2, it is impossible. That is why we will deriving an answer for this. Okay, you should clear for these sums. Answer for this question. Okay, the final result. Okay, 74 base 10 equal to 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, 1 0 0 1 0 1, okay, and then 0. Once you check 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. So binary means base is 2. This is final answer for these questions. In this decimal into binary methods, listen Sanjay, it is divisible by 2 methods is ordinary, but in this method can be classified into 2 types. Sir, what are the 2 types? Okay, can I say now? The first method is decimal into binary using sum of powers of 2 methods. Okay, 2 methods are there. 2 methods are there. These methods, number 1 is sums of powers of two method. This is one type. The second one is repeated division by two method. Okay, this is two methods are there. Number one is sums of powers of two methods, and then number two is repeated division by two methods. These two methods, in the examination point of view, sometime the sums of powers of two method is asking 3 marks or 5 marks. Here in this repeated division by two method is 3 marks. Okay, this method of sums, how can we derive? Today we will see one by one. That methods example I will tell you. Question is example 1. Okay, what sums I give you now? Convert 95 base 10 into binary using sums of powers of two method. This is one method. Next question is exercise 2. This method is convert 47 base 10 into binary using repeated division by two method. Okay, so this method, how can we do? What are the steps is involving in this area? That about can I say now? Deeply, step by step. Computer, if you given a number, means that number how it can convert in decimal into binary. These two methods only follow in proper manner, is a compiler oriented, is a interpreted methods. That about we will see now. Okay, yes. Now can we start? The sum is what? Convert 95 base 10 into binary using sums of powers of two method. Clear? Yes. In these methods we are how can we do, sir? Dear children, first you listen. So, and generally we know in a graphically is a representation, says in a graph oriented also here. Okay, this is y, this is y dash, this is x, and then x dash. The point is 0. Okay, in the situation here, in that case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So positively -1, -2, -3, and then -4. It is going on. Clear? Yes. Yes. But same thing in this programming methods, we will use for this program mathematically anything power 0. Clear? So binary. So into binary means 2. That's why 2 to the power of 0 equal to 1 or anything power 0 equal to 1. Here 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2 and then 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4. Here 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8. 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. 2 to the power of 5 equal to 32. 2 to the power of 6 equal to 64. 2 to the power of 7 equal to 128. It is going on etc. etc. Okay, yes. In that case, convert the binary 95 base 10 into binary using sums of power of 2 methods. Okay. Now can I say one by one? Question is 95. Clear? That case you have to write order wise. First 2 to the power of 0. That's why this is 1. And then 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2. 2. 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4. And then 2 to the power of 3 equal to 8. And then 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. And then 2 to the power of 5 equal to 32. And then 2 to the power of 6 equal to 64. Okay. Here 2 to the power of 7 equal to 128. This is 128. But question is 95 only. So the 128 is greater than 95. So this is not necessary for these sums. Okay. That's why in this 95, how many 64s are there? This is the process. Clear? Yes. How many 64s are there? Okay. In this 95, 64, how many 64 there are? Only 1. That's why 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So here you check 95, 64. That's why this is 1. In that case 31. I think so. Clear? Yes. Set 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So already we know 1. But here the value is 31. But his value is 32. So in this case 32 is greater than 31. But we are expecting this value is high, but this value is low now. That's why it is not a possible. In the 31, how many 32s are there? It is a foolish question. Clear? So that's why it is invalid, or sorry, it is not possible. It is not a possible. It is not a possible. How many 32s are there in 31 means it is not a possible. That's why we should write 0. Clear? Yes. Now can I say 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Already we know 1, 0. Okay. Here the remaining is what? 2 to the power of 0 already we wrote is not valid. Okay. Now this value is 16. Okay. The remaining is here 31. In that case, how many 16s are there in 31? Okay. So in that case, next step, here 30 is okay. Now the value is 16. The remaining is 31. How many? So it will come for how many types? Under. Okay. That's why a 0. 61 is not a valid. So here 61. So 31 in this 16. Clear? Here the remaining is 31. This is 16. Okay. How many 16s are there in 31? Only 1. So we should write 1. So here 11 and then 5. Clear? This is also 15. Okay. So only 1 times. So the remaining is 15. Kept in mind 15 value. Now 64, 32, okay, and then 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. In that case 1, 0, this is also 1, here is a 8, but here is a 15. How many 8s are there in 15? Only 1. That's why we should write 1. Okay, so 15 minus 8. This is 7. Clear? Yes. So this is 1. Okay. Now 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So 1, 0, 1 and then 1. But in that case the remaining is 7. But here is 4. So how many 4s are there in 7? So only 1 4s are there in 7. Clear? So 7 minus 4 equal to 3. We know. Okay. So next step, automatically we should write 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So 1, 0, here 1, 1. Okay. Here the remaining is, okay, that here also 1. In that case remaining is 3. Here 2. So how many 2s are there in 3? Only 1. Okay. So 3 minus what? 2 equal to 1. Okay. So the finally these sums will come in the finally. We know how can you deriving an answer. Okay. 64, 32 and then 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. We know already 64 means here 1. So it is not valid, that's why 0. Here also 1, 1, 1. So here also 1. In that case the remaining is 1, no. But how many 1s are there in 1? So in the 1 means only 1 1s are there. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. I think so clear. So finally what can I say now in the statement? 95 base 10 equal to, in this case left to right, 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 base 2. This is exact answer. Can I say now quick review, my dear children? You think like this sum, how can we do step by step? Okay, in steps is very important. Here 95 is process the methods of every times the binary systems. Method is here 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. In this 64, in this 95 is given a value. How many 64s are there? Only 1. So the remaining is 31. You should clear. But here 32, it is a 31. 31, how many 32s are not possible? That's why 0. Next, here how many 16s? So 16s in the 31, 1. So and then 8. 8 also, how many? Only 1. The remaining is 7. So 4 also only 1. The remaining is 3. 2 also only 1. The remaining is 1. So how many 1s are there in 1? So only 1. So finally this sum is correct or not? How can we check? Before evaluate, how can we check in examination hall? Okay, in that case, how can we check method, sir? Simply, I will tell you check method is ordinary. Okay, in this check method, 95. So sums came, no. Okay, here 95 base 10. Okay, here first, come on. 2 4s are 8, 47. The remaining is 1. Okay. Here 2 2s are 4. Okay. Here that's what 6. So 2 3s are, remaining is 1. Here 2 11s are, remaining is 1. So 2 5s are, okay, 1. Here 2 2s are, okay, 4 is 1. Here 2 1s are 2, remaining is 0. Okay. We should write bottom to top, therefore 95 base 10 equal to 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 base 2. So final answer 1 0 1 1 1. So okay, I think you correct. Okay. Okay. Next class or next method is repeated division by 2 methods. Okay. Now can I give one homework for you? That homework is convert 91 base 10 into binary using sums of powers of two method. Okay, convert 91 base 10 into binary sums of powers of two methods. Okay, you work out, so and then send to my number. Okay, my dear children. Now, can I teach now? Convert 64 or 68 base 10 into binary using repeated division by two methods, that is sums of powers of two methods. This is repeated division by two method. Sir, this sum how can we do, sir? We can make it a tabulation first. This number is decimal number, no, that is why we will make it decimal. DECIMAL, and then quotient. Okay, quotient. The final is a remainder. Okay, you can make it a 3 column first. We will make it a 3 column. In that case, okay, what value is given? 68 is a value. Repeated division by 2 method. Method is repeated division by 2 method. That is why divisible by 2 or divided by 2. So, quotient remainder. How much quotient? Here 2 4s are, sorry, 2 3s are 6. Here 2 4s are 8. So, quotient value is 34. Sir, what is the remainder, sir? The remainder is 0 or no remainder, that is why 0. Here also same thing, 34, okay, divided by 2. In this method, we know 17 is a quotient. The remainder is 0. Clear? So, how many 2's are there in 34? 17. The remainder is 0. Again, can I teach you 17? Why? Because why I am repeating division? Reason that is this method is repeated division by 2 methods. So, 17 by 2. So, 8, 2 8s are 16. So, the remaining is 1. Okay, 2 8s are 16, remaining is 1. And then 8 is divisible by 2. In that case, 8 is divisible by 2. 4 is a quotient, the remainder is 0. Clear? Now, 4 is divisible by 2. Okay, but here quotient is 2 times, remainder is 0. Okay. Now, in that case, the continuation process, same process we will continue again. Same. So, what is the final quotient value? The final quotient value is 2. So, sir, in this value, sir, 2 we should write divided by 2. So, this is a decimal value quotient, this is a remainder. So, 2 divided by 2, quotient is 1, remainder is 0. Clear? Yes. Here the final step, how sir? This number is 1 is divisible by 2. Okay, this is a quotient is remainder. This is a value is 1, denominator value is 2, the numerator value is 1. Normally it is a possible or not possible? Not possible. Not possible means, okay. So, the remainder is not possible means 0, the remainder is 1. So, finally, what you say sir? Yes, 64. Okay. Therefore, how can we do the answer? Therefore, the final result 68 base 10. Okay. 68 base 10 equal to these two values. Clear? Yes. Come on, these two values. Okay. So, 1 0 0 0 1 0 and then 0. You say once more 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 base 2. Again this method also we will introducing check method. Come on, 68 divided by 2 quickly. Okay, 4s are 3s are 6 and then here also 4, this is 0. Here 2 17s are 34, this is 0. Here 2 6 are 2 8s are 16 is 1. Here 2 4s are 8 is 0. Here 2 2s are 4 is 0 and then 2 1s are 2 is 0. So, here you think bottom to top. Clear? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. I think 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 and then 1 0 0 base 2. So, this is final answer for this sum. This is a final answer for this sum. Now, can I say give you homework also this method? Okay, in these methods can I give now what that value is 68. Can I give value? Convert 47 base 10 into binary using repeated division by 2 method. We will see fractional, decimal into binary. So, what's our fractional decimal value? Can I say now an example? Example 1, simply this is 1, 0.5 base 10. Next example, exercise 2, 0.2 base 10. This type of values will come decimal, but with the fractional. So, this type of values, how can we convert into binary. That is today we will see continuous session from yesterday's session, and then we will see binary into decimal. Okay. Yes. Sir, can I teach before? Can I ask one simple question for you? Dear children, we know as a mathematically everybody we know 1 by 2 is nothing but what? What is the answer? 0.5. Okay. Yes. My question is 1 is modulus by 2 equal to what? Okay. What is the answer? You find out the answer. Okay. You come to my phone number, please you tell the answer, or you this work out this question answer, you take a pic shot, send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Yes. But today's session is fractional decimal into binary. Okay. The question is convert 0.2 base 10 into binary. This is a sum. How can we solve, sir? The sums we will work out for this sum. Can I say now answer for this question? First, can we say answer? The question is 0.2. Clear? In this value n to 2, this is a procedure. First, the given a decimal fractional value is n to 2. Why? Because this is a fractional decimal. That is why the fractional decimal value we should convert into binary. First, we will multiply what value is given into 2. So, 0.4. Clear? Yes. Now, in this 0.4, this 0 put on that side. So, remaining 0.4. Okay. This 0.4 into 2 is equal to 0.8. This 0 will put there here 0.8 into 2. Clear? Yes. In that way, okay, 0.82 means 1.6. Clear? This 1 will come on that side, this is 1. Okay. Here, so 0.6 into 2 is nothing but 1.2. So, 1 will go on that side, the 0.2 is a remember into 2, okay, is equal to 0.4. So, here the value is 0. I think so you can understand for this sum. First you see again the 0.4 again will come, already start initiated 0.4 no. So, this process is continuously is coming again and again, that is why the final answer is here. Therefore, 0.2 base 10 equal to, can write top to bottom, okay, you can write top to bottom, here 0 0 1 1 0, okay, here 0 point means 0 point, okay, fractional no. So, 0 0 1 1 0 dot is nothing but continuous process, okay, and then base 2, this is an answer. Again I will repeat, the given sum is 0.2 base 10 into binary. This 0.2 is a value, this decimal fractional value, first we should multiply it into 2 equal to 0.4, again the 0 will go on that side, right hand side, okay, the 0.4 will come to here, into 2 0.8, 0 will go there, and then 0.8 into 2 1.6, 1 will go there, 0.6 into 2, 1.2, 1 will go there, 0.2 into 2 equal to 0.4. So, it will come repeat again, that is why the process is continuously. So, this is a final answer for this question. Okay, yes. Can I give one homework for you? Next class, you work out and tell me, okay, homework for you. Question is, convert 0.5 base 10 into binary. Okay, you work out, okay, and then you take photocopy and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now, we will see the next method is, given a value is binary, how can we do convert this binary value to decimal? We will see now. Okay. Now, can I say about second method? That method is, the given a value is binary, this binary value how can we convert into decimal? Okay. Can I say one example? Suppose in the computer binary format, suppose your phone number is 111-001-011. So, in future at 6th to 7th generation, this is proceeding for everybody, means kept in mind is very difficult, but in the computer every time the binary format only they follow. That is why computer is a hero. Why? Because this knows only two things, one is zeros and ones. So, one is true and 0 means false. But here the given a value, what value said here, Sanjay, can you say any one example for this binary number? Come on. Okay, example sums is given. Sanjay said what number? 111-011. Okay, okay, 111-011 base 2. Okay, this is a sum. So, convert 111-011 base 2 into what? Decimal. Okay, yes. In this question is asking like this, how can we know, how can we do, how can we work out this given a what binary into what decimal. Dear children, first all the numbers you should write properly. This is step 1, 1 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, here I think so this is a right to left, the right to left every number we should write 1 into decimal, no, but here convert is the base value is 2 binary, that is why anything power 0 we know 1, but binary into decimal, the binary 2 to the power of 0. Okay, here also 1 into 2 to the power of 1, here also 0 into 2 to the power of 2. Okay, here 1 into 2 to the power of 3. Okay, here 1 into 2 to the power of 4. Here finally 1 into 2 to the power of 5. My dear children, anything power 0 equal to 1, already we know. So, 1 into anything power 0 1. So, answer is 1. Here 2 to the power of 1 is 2, but 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. Here 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4, but 0 into 4 or 0 into 4 or 0 into anything we know 0. Okay, here also 1 2 to the power of 3. So, 1 into 8 is equal to 8. Again I will tell you for this sums, this is number 1, 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 1 into 16, clear, equal to 16. Again 1 into 2 to the power of 5 is nothing but 32, okay, 32. So this is a procedure, and then final step is all the numbers should be adding. Finally all the steps numbers should be adding. Come on, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 6 is, okay, 17, 17 plus 2 19, okay, 19, we should write 9, the 1, the value will come to here, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, okay. The final answer is 59, okay. The finally will come to conclusion for answer for this, okay. 1 1 1 0 1 1 base 2 equal to 59. This is a decimal number, that is why the answer is, sorry, the base value is 10. Sir, before correction or before evaluation, sir, in a examination hall or in a homework, sir will give this sum or for different values. This answer is correct or not? Can I work out the answer is correct or not? How can we identify? How can I judge or verification? So, can I introduce now check method? This method using pencil via only, okay. Why? Because you check now. Come on, this number is 59. We know 59 is a decimal value, okay. This decimal value is divisible by 2 repeatedly. Come on, 2 2s are 4. So 1 is a remaining, that is why 2 9s, okay. The remaining is 1. Here 2, okay, 2 14s are 28, the remaining is 1, and then 2 7s are 14, remaining is 0. Again 2 4, 2 3s are 6, the remaining is 1, and then 2 1s are 2, okay. The remaining is 1, okay. Now every number should be right, the reminders numbers. So bottom to top, come on, we know bottom to top, okay, this value, okay. So come on, 1 1 1 0 1 1. So at 1 1 1 0 1 1 59, okay. This question came or not, once you check, this question is asking for the sum 1 1 1 0 1 1. So we know clear in the examination hall or workout anywhere, everywhere the sum is correct. This method is given a number binary into decimal, okay. Now can we see, given a number is decimal number, that number how can we convert into octal, okay. This conversion method is convert, okay. Number is 60 what 5 base 10 into octal, okay. Question is number into octal. Sir, how can we do, sir? Answer for these questions clear? Yes, 65 is a number, okay. So 65 is given a number, it is octal means divisible by 8, okay. So 8 is a number. Now in this value how many 8s are there in 65? So 1 8 so 8, 2 8 so 16, okay, as usual going on. 8 8 so 64, the remaining is 1, okay. Next again 8, 8 1 so 8, the remaining is 0, clear children. Now listen, therefore 65 base 10 equal to, value should be here bottom to top, no, 1 0 1 base what, this is given a number is what? Given a number 65. Okay, here XOR into octal. Octal means what? 8. Correct? So we should write, Sanjay, will come to 8 or 2? 8. Really? Yes. Binary number, how will come 8? So anything power 2. Okay. So here that number is given, a number is a decimal. This is 65 base 10 into octal. Okay. Octal means this number should be first 8 8s are 64, remaining is 1, 8 1s are 8. Okay. Okay. Here what answer will come? The base value is 8. So that's why it will come 8. It is clear? 100%? Okay. Otherwise you check. 1 0 1. You check and tell me. Okay. I think. Okay. So the final answer is 8. Can I slight confusion? Sorry. In that case, sir, this sum is correct or not? How can we check, sir? Here also we will introducing check method. Check method. Already we know. Okay, 1 0 1. In this right to left only we will counting first 1 and 2. Come on. Here 8 to the power of 0. Clear? Yes. So and then 0 into 8 to the power of 1. Again 1 into 8 to the power of 2. Dear children, anything power 0? 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1. Here 0 into 8 to the power of 1 equal to 8. So this is 0. Okay. 1 into 8 to the power of 2, 64. This is 64. Here 1 plus 4 is a 5. So 65. I think so answer will come now. Okay. So this answer is exactly correct. This answer is exactly correct. Can I give now one example sum for you? Okay. The example sum is what? Homework. This homework sum is 80. Convert 81 base 10 into octal. Okay, 81 base 10 into octal. Now we will work out this sum. If you work out this sum, if you take a pic shot, send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, I think so this method you can understand clearly. Okay, suppose can I teach now another one sum quickly? In that case, convert what? Convert 1 0 1 base 10 into octal. So our people think like this. Here 1 0 1 means it is binary number. No, my dears, listen carefully. In that case, the base value is 10 means this is not a binary number. The base value is 10 means this is a decimal number. It's nothing but this is 101. So 101, how can we convert octal, sir? You can answer for this question. 101. Here 8. Okay. In this 101, how many 8s are there? Come on. 8 10s are 80. 8 11s are 88. Okay. And then 8 12s are, come on. 8 12s are, 12 8s are. Okay. Here 16. 1 is a balance. Okay. 8 and then 96. Okay. Yes. Here 12 9s are. Okay. In that case 12 9s are 18. 1 is a balance. 108. So this is what this 108 is comparing for 101 is a maximum value, but given a value is 101. So how many times? 8 12 8. So here divided by 12. Okay, divisible by 8. We are using this number 8 12 so what? 96. Sanjay, clear? Yes. So 8 2s are 16, 1 is a balance, 96. Sir, here question is given a value is 101 but 96. Okay, what is the remaining? 5. The 5 is a remaining. Clear? Okay. Understand, I think so. Here 8 also, in this case 8 ones are 8. The remaining is what? 4. Okay. So, therefore, 101 base 10 equal to 145 base 8. Sanjay, 8 or 10? 8. Why we are using 8? Why? Because this is octal number. Sir, this sum is correct or not? How can we check, sir? This sum is correct or not? How can we check? Come on, in that method, in this using this value, the answer is 145. Okay, we can work out 145 and base what? 8. So, check method, 5 into 8 to the power of 0. Okay, here 4 into 8 to the power of 1. Okay, here and then 1 into 8 to the power of 2. So, anything power 0 we know 1. So, 5 into 1 is nothing but 5. Here 4 into 8 equal to 32. In that case, clear? Understand? Here 8 to the power of 2. So, 1 into 64. Okay, that value came. Okay, so that case 1 4 and then 5. Clear? The value is 4. Okay, here 64. Okay, you had this 64. Here value, come on, once you count 64 and then 32 and then 5. Okay, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11, 1 will come to here. So, remaining is 1. Okay. So, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 1 0 1. So, therefore, okay, the given a sum is correct. So, 1 0 1 base 10, the octal value exact answer is 145 base 8. Before correction, we can verify the check method is over. The question came means the sum is correct. I think so. Question came, no. Okay. The next what are different types of conversion? We will see the next session. Okay. Thank you.